subscriber reached out to me asking me if Dudu Osun can lighten the skin. She loves Dudu Osun, but she wants it to lighten her skin. It is very simple, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you or giving you a recipe you can try out. So if it's something you're interested in, let's get right into this video. Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trent Laura. Welcome to the new and old subscribers. So today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Dudu Osun soap to lighten your skin. Okay, this is a natural recipe and it's going to help incorporate with this Dudu Osun soap to give you that flawless, brighter, even skin tone you so desire. Okay, if this is your first time of coming, welcome to the channel. It's a channel where I talk about skincare and lifestyle tips. Feel free to join the family. And guys, please like this video before this video starts so that YouTube can push my video to a wider audience. For those who don't know, this is Dudu Osun. Yeah, I'll put in the picture for you guys. This is what Dudu Osun looks like. There's the other one that here is black. That one is the odorless one. So you can get whichever one you want. One thing about Dudu Osun is that Dudu Osun is a very great soap. If you're dealing with rashes, if you're dealing with skin reaction, this soap is literally going to dry it out. Someone told me, I got Dudu Osun, I don't like it, it's stained everywhere, it's very soft, it's black, it's this. Guys, can you see that? Let's hit it here. Can you see it? It is not a soft soap. This soap is a very strong soap. A very, very strong soap. To use it even to the end, it's not going to get soft. It's a very strong soap. Okay, so this is how the Dudu Osun looks like. It's black in it, and this is the pack. I know a lot of you know Dudu Osun soap. So to make this Dudu Osun soap, these are ingredients you need. I wrote it down so that I'm not going to forget any one. And if you follow these steps, you're going to achieve a very beautiful soap that is going to be good for your skin. So the first thing I wrote, of course, the Dudu Osun. So you need about 1 or 2 Dudu Osun soap. And then you're going to need turmeric. So yeah, this turmeric, you can get the fresh one or you can get the powdered, whichever one you prefer to use. They work the same way, just that the fresher is the fresh one. You're not drying it to get the powder. It's just the fresh juice, and we always say fresh things are better. So whichever one you feel like using, you can use. If you're using the fresh one, what you have to do is grate it and strain out the juice. It's as simple as that. So you're going to be using the juice of it. Okay, so the next one is your carrot. So we're going to need carrot juice, we're going to need lemon juice, we're going to need cucumber juice, and then pineapple juice. So for the carrots, what you want to do is grate it as well. Grate your carrots, strain out the juice. We're going to be using the juice, so you can toss the shaft out, or you can use dry out the shaft and make carrot powder or make carrot oil, whichever one you want to do. It doesn't go to waste. So we're also going to need, like I said, cucumber, and don't worry, I'll put the list for you guys to see somewhere in this video. So for the cucumber you're also going to grate, strain it out, and then keep the juice. You can toss out the shaft. Okay, so cucumber is very good when it comes to moisturizing the skin. Cucumber also helps to calm down redness on the face. It's very good. Like cucumber toner is very good. So imagine cucumber toner and you imagine cucumber juice. It does the same work. What it does, it helps with inflammation. So if you're having red face or swelling due to sunburn, this helps to calm it down. That's what cucumber is used for. So you're going to strain out the juice as well. Good. And then for pineapple, you are also going to pineapple. You don't need too much work. You just need to pound it and then strain out the juice. You don't want the particles inside. All we need is just the juice. Okay, pineapple helps with it contains ascorbic acid, and it also helps to lighten up the skin. It helps with to reduce blemishes from the skin. If you're having sunburn, hyperpigmentation, it helps to clear that out. It also helps with wrinkle. So if it's like an anti-aging organic property that is going to help tighten in your skin, and it also helps to lock in moisture to your skin, making your skin feel well hydrated. So for me, if I want to make this, I would like to add papaya, even though I did not put papaya on my list, but I would like to add papaya if you want to really like brighten up your skin. Papaya is the same thing. You can grate it, you can pound it, you can blend it, get out the juice, but I would not prefer blending because you're not supposed to add water. You just need the pure juice, okay? And then papaya contains papain. Papaya also helps with pigmentation. It helps to whiten the skin. It helps to reduce the melanin production on the skin, making that dull the dullness to like reduce, and then brightens the skin very well. Going to be needing is baking soda. Why using baking soda? Because baking soda helps with irritation. It helps to, if you're having itching, if you're having any irritation on your skin, it helps to help it. Not only that, the main reason why we're using baking soda in this recipe is the fact that baking soda helps to balance the pH of your product. So you're going to need a little just to balance the pH of the product. Next, we're going to be needing is our shea butter. We're also going to need coconut oil. I for one don't like coconut oil. Whatever oil you feel you like or is suitable for your skin. If you have jojoba oil, if you have almond oil, they're better. Coconut oil tends to react to some people's skin. I don't use coconut oil. Even when I'm doing production, I don't use coconut oil because a lot of people tend to react to it. So I would say go with jojoba oil. You can even create your own carrot oil. Whatever oil you want to use, you can use it, okay? So the next thing we're going to be needing is our rice powder. So rice powder is natural, and you can get all of these things from people that sell, you can get this rice powder from people that sell maybe organic things, or those Yoruba women that sell black soap in the market. As we always get more from. Or you can come on here, search on how to make rice powder, and you can do your own. Rice powder actually helps to whiten the skin. All these Korean people, you say that most of their things are always like rise this to whiten their skin, to make their skin look glowy, to make their skin look flawless and all that. So that's what rice powder does. So what you want to do is grate your Dudu Osun. That's the part I hate the most. Grate your Dudu Osun because it's a lot of work. So after grating it, put it in a clean bowl. Please, everything you're using has to be clean, okay? So put it in a clean bowl. So what you want to do now is to add in your powder. So you can add your powders. If it's turmeric you want to use, your baking soda. If it's turmeric powder you want to use, fine. Add it, your baking soda. So I put down the amount. For the turmeric, you're going to be needing 2 tablespoons. I love turmeric very well, so you're going to be using 2 tablespoons. And then for the baking soda, you're going to need 1 teaspoon. I'll be putting this for you guys, don't worry. And then for the rice flour, you're going to, or rice powder, you're going to be needing 2 tablespoons as well. So these are the powders in there. So what you want to do is also melt your shea butter, add in your shea butter to this, mix it. When you're putting all this, make sure you're mixing it. Also add in your oil. Your oil is going to be 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, because I don't like oils in soup that much because it tends to make the soup not to foam. Okay, and Dudu Osun is a soup that to me it has oil, but then it still dries out the skin. Okay, so yeah, you need shea butter to help with moisturizing the skin. And then when you finish pounding, you're going to add in your liquids, which is your turmeric if you're using the juice, your carrot juice, your lemon juice, your papaya juice if you want to add that, your pineapple, and then add it in. So you're going to add 2 tablespoons each for them. If you feel the soap is too strong and you still want it a little bit softer, you can go in with a little bit more, maybe extra 2 more tablespoons of this juice. And also you're going to add honey. Honey helps to hydrate the skin. Honey helps with acne. Honey helps to lock in moisture to the skin. So you're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey in here. Pound, 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 pound. You have to pound to make sure everything incorporates well with your product. So pound this and then plate. I know you're going to say, what about preservative? Yeah, you don't need preservative. The shelf life for this should be about 1.5 months to 2 months that you can use. So before then, you know that okay, you're going to like finish this soap. Okay, and then how to for the preservative, you don't need preservative. Dudu Osun is it has lye caustic soda. Also, this is what makes it. If you bathe and then water, you know, most soap, they'll tell you when you bathe and water touches it, especially like, you know, Ghana black soap, when you mix it and all that, it starts to grow mold. But for all this soap, this bar soap, what they use in making it, if you use soap water on it and all that, it does not contain bacteria, it does not hold bacteria. So these fruits are safe to use for this kind of soap, because it's not going to create mold, it's not going to grow in bacteria. The lye solution in it is very high, to the point that it cannot bacteria cannot survive in it. So that is why it's safe to use this soap, especially like when it comes to like Dudu Osun soap. Okay, so that's basically it. Like I said, I then put the ingredients and everything for you guys here. Hope this video was useful. Have you liked this video yet? Please guys, like my video so that YouTube can push my video to a wider audience. And I hope this video was useful to you, and I hope it answered your question. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. So before I go, how to use this soap. So you're going to use the soap like every normal soap, you know, put it on your body, massage it in, leave it for some minutes, and then if you want to sponge it out and rinse it up. Use morning and night, and follow with a great moisturizer. Also, because of the lemon juice inside, I would advise you to use your sunscreen. Normally you're supposed to use your sunscreen, and this is the best period where you can use this. The weather is cool and all that, but yeah, don't forget to use your sunscreen. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.